草案进一步完善关于网络间谍的规定，明确网络间谍的行为方式。
An announcement on Chinese state media that the country's already sweeping anti-espionage law is being broadened. From July, it will expand the definition of spying and cover anything that it perceives as a threat to its national security and interests. The law's wording is vague, and it's worrying foreign investors, journalists, and neighbour Taiwan, which says it could be used to target anyone.
请民众到对岸去进行交流的时候，要特别注意到委员刚刚所提到的这一点，包括你手机里面的一个内容，你可能在进出中国海关的过程当中，就已经被中国海关相关的安全人员来进行检查，所以这部分也要特别的小心。
China and Taiwan already have a contentious relationship. China claims Taiwan as part of its territory, and in recent years has sent increasing numbers of military planes and ships near the island. Taiwan worries that Chinese President Xi Jinping's emphasis on national security will put more pressure on Taiwanese people, hundreds of thousands of whom live and work in China. According to a Taiwan government assessment of the Chinese law, the following activities could be viewed as spying: posting negative comments online about China, commenting online about Taiwan and Hong Kong related issues, taking photos of sensitive locations, interviewing people without government permission. But even before this law is changed, many Taiwanese already feel uneasy about visiting China. In 2017, Taiwanese activist Li Mingzhe disappeared on a trip to China. He was detained for 5 years after criticizing the ruling Communist Party. He was released in 2022. And there have been similar cases. Li Yanhe, a Taiwan-based book publisher, was detained on a recent trip to visit relatives in China. Li has published books critical of Beijing and is being investigated for allegedly endangering Chinese national security. Taiwan has criticized China for what it calls arbitrary arrests and says these are human rights breaches. Other countries are worried too. Japanese nationals have also been detained in China for alleged spy-related activities. Their detentions have strained relations between Tokyo and Beijing.
不小心卷入了中国的权力斗争，不小心拍到了中国的军事设施的一些图片。他说你犯罪的话，那你就犯罪了嘛。所以说这一点的话，确实是在对中国的这种，不光是这个文化交流等等，包括在中国做生意的风险也提高了，无形中提高很多倍。
China's new legislation could scare off foreign companies and potential investors. And it could lead to fewer Taiwanese visiting China, despite close trade and family links. Taiwan's premier says people should only go if they can ensure their personal safety. Chen and Louise for TaiwanPlus.